Customers are the individuals or companies who purchase stock from you. In this module, learn how to add customers to your Tidy account. Go to Global Settings and select the customer's icon. Then, over to the right, click on New Customer. Now we go through and fill out the customer information. Give them a customer code. This can be any combination of capital letters and numbers up to 6 characters long. Next, type in the customer's name. Then select their country from the drop-down list. Once this is done, enter their address details. If the physical and postal addresses are the same, you can simply copy the information across like so. Now that we've finished with customer information, pop across to the Sales tab. Here, you can change the customer's currency, sales tax, packing slip, pricing levels, and default sales locations. The options available in these drop-down lists are dependent on what you have set up in the other areas of global settings. Lastly, there's the Contact Information tab. This is where you can add a contact person's information to the customer details. Click on New Contact. Let's add a first and last name and an email. You can also add phone numbers if you want. The final step is to save this new customer. Now they're available to select when making sales orders.